I'm Robert Braswell, and this is 2 Minutes with TMC. Welcome to 2 Minutes with TMC. I'm your host, Robert Braswell, with ATA's Technology and Maintenance Council. 2 Minutes with TMC is brought to you courtesy of Meritor. Meritor is a leading global supplier of drivetrain, mobility, braking, and aftermarket solutions for commercial vehicle and industrial markets. With a more than 100-year legacy of providing innovative products that offer superior performance, efficiency, and reliability, Meritor serves commercial truck, trailer, defense, specialty, and aftermarket customers around the world. And now let's take a look at what's happening in your council. Evolving career pathways for today's fleet maintenance executives is the focus of one of our main technical sessions at TMC's 2018 annual meeting and Transportation Technology Exhibition, scheduled for March 5th through the 8th at the Georgia World Congress Center in Atlanta, Georgia. What was once expected of fleet vice presidents and directors of maintenance is quietly evaporating and becoming past tense. The days where one maintenance executive is responsible for purchasing, maintenance, parts, and specification are over in many fleets. Instead, these responsibilities are being redistributed into corporate silos. Seasoned fleet professionals have a wealth of information to share. The trick is speaking the language to a new generation of fleet owners and data professionals so that the information is heard and valued. What is expected of fleet executives, managers, and supervisors is changing. Are you ready for the big shift? Attend this session and learn from a panel of experts on what fleet professionals of the past, present, and future should expect in the coming years, and what different skills and strategies they need to employ to remain effective for the beginning, middle, and end of their careers. To register or for more information on TMC's 2018 annual meeting, go to tmcannual.trucking.org. You'll find a shortcut link to our event landing page in today's email as well. And that's all the time we have today for 2 Minutes with TMC. Once again, this program is brought to you by the good people at Meritor. Until next time, this is Robert Braswell for TMC. Thanks for watching.